Hi, this is a tutorial on how to publish your wedding website in Canva. If you're done editing from page 1 to 5, so let's edit it. Let's publish it rather. Before publishing, make sure to preview your website because sometimes if you check this navigation menu, you will see navigation here, and we don't want that because with no navigation area, if you uncheck this one, it looks more elegant, right? If there is no navigation area, so we have to uncheck that. This one, make sure to check this one, resize on mobile, so that is it's more phone friendly or mobile friendly when you view. And now let's change the name of the website. Change it to your name. For example, your name is Sandra and Sophia. Then now let's publish the website. Click publish the website, and right here you can change the URL by clicking the pen icon, and then click, then type. For example, you want to add wedding so that your guests will know that the website is about wedding. Then publish it. Click publish, then let's wait for the website to publish. Let's just wait, right? Because it's kind of loading. Oh, here's your website now. You can copy the link here. This is the one. This is the link you need to send to your guests. Copied. But if you forget to copy, here's how you can copy the link. You can click the arrow down here and click this one. It will bring you to the website we've created, and then copy the URL here. Copy the URL, and this URL you're going to send via Gmail or via chat to your guests. This is the link. Like for example, I copy that one and then I paste it, and charan, here's your website. So that's it. Thank you.